Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show you everything that I either consume or do that assisted in me losing 5 pounds in 1 week. So we're gonna start with the things that I take in the morning. So I start off with some elderberry sea moss, and I got this from somebody on Etsy. I don't even know if y'all can see that. It's really not important who it's from. Just know that it's elderberry sea moss. And so you'll see me take some. I don't take a whole lot because it's nasty. It's a texture thing, and I don't like it, to be honest, but I take it because I know it's healthy. All right, so first I'm gonna make this like shop tonic of all these different things. So this is the apple cider vinegar with the mother, the detox one. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And there aren't any specific measurements to this. I literally just add it in and move along. Some B complex for energy. And I don't know that I really showed y'all that, so let me. There you go. The Mary Ruth's liquid ionic zinc. Add some drops of that. Yes, TikTok made me buy liquid chlorophyll. I don't take it as consistently as I used to. I don't even know if it really works, to be honest, but whatever. I bought it. And then some MCT oil. It's like a fat burner, of course. So sometimes I put it in my actual smoothies. Sometimes I put it in this little tonic. I add some water to this because this junk nasty. And that MCT oil is nasty too, just so we clear. And then of course, I'm gonna follow it up with water. So I start my day with 24 ounces of water before I work out or do anything. So when my water gets to about here, that's when I add my pre-workout, which is the C4 Ripped Sport Explosive and Cutting Formula. It's like a polar ice flavor. 1 scoop of this into the remainder of that water. And I scoop it out at night because I actually drink this when I'm still laying in the bed most times. But because I'm recording this and sharing it with you guys, I'm not in the bed. I'm actually a little bit behind schedule today. So here we are. And now we're ready to put the finishing touches on workout prep. So before I get ready to go, I have purchased this. It's just a slimming, fat, burning cream of some sort. Of course, it's the kind that it gets hot once your heart rate and body temperature goes up. So I put about this much on my belly area before I put on my waist trainer. And so this is not something that you like have to do. Don't feel compelled. I just do it. I feel like it helps me keep this small little curve that I got going on. And also, let me step back for a moment. Yes, this is a Ripped by Tiffany Fit I will include her link below. And I'm going to be wearing the Ripped by Tiffany waist. This is a waist slimmer trimmer. It's not a waist trainer, okay? So this is a soft one. It makes it very easy to work out. And I personally feel like it helps me. And so this is actually a pocket for a phone. When I'm running, I don't use that because it gets in the way. So here we are. And now we're ready to go. Alright guys, we just made it to the gym, and I already have on lip gloss, so that's a ritual. I put lip gloss on before I go in the gym because it stops me from like licking and biting my lips. I don't know why I do that when I work out, but I do. So the other thing that I like to do before I go to the gym is, or walk in the gym I should say, I like to put my headphones on. I don't know what that is or why. I think it's because, you know, when you go to the gym, you don't really want people like interrupting you, talking to you. I don't want nobody to feel comfortable to approach me. So here I am putting on my mask first, making sure it's fitting very snug, and then I'm gonna put my headphones on and I'm gonna cut them on too. And just for your information, today I'm gonna take you in the gym with me. We are going to be doing cardio. I think today I'm going to see how quickly I can do intervals with a mile. And then after that I'll probably do like a combination of walking and like a slower jog. I think I'm also going to do the Stairmaster and the elliptical today. And I'm actually going to show you me stretching because that's very important. Hey guys, we're all done working out. I'm proud of myself. I did 10 minutes straight, no break on the elliptical. Although that might not seem like a lot to you. That's extreme for me. I think I did 10 minutes 30 seconds, and that was a complete mile. I just like to try to get my face cleaned up here a little after all that sweat that be sitting in the mask and stuff. But yeah, that was a good workout. I was in there for an hour exactly, straight cardio today. As you can see, I did get a few clips, but it was a little weird. It seemed like every time I was ready to record, people were around, and I don't want to look like the creep that's recording everybody in the gym versus myself. So now we're going to get ready for work and make our post-workout shake.
You think you could. That thing is shame.